请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. One of the first phrases you want to learn in a foreign language is I love you. And in Hakka, it's Ngai Oi Ng. And this is a song brought to you by Feel Band. They use their soft, soothing vocals and warm piano tunes to express that deep, heartfelt love. It's a song to remind us all that whether it's about families or partners or closest friends, not to hold back on sharing how we feel. So let's take a listen to Ngai Oi Ng.
Ngai oi ngi ken tan ba ngi zong byong di nuôi sinh你用情同下关心最爱爱的爱你阿婆的笑容做客的每香味陪伴心脏后悔每日白分离
就是我爱你啦，这是一首非常温暖又浪漫的一首歌。无论是像身旁的家人啦，或携手一生的伴侣，还是无话不谈的挚友，我们都应该要及时还有直接的向他们表达我们的情感嘛。这就是这首歌的一个宗旨。希望你们喜欢。Again, this romantic tune is called Ngai Oi Ng by Feel Band. I'm Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.